Welcome to our Jovila channel. Today we are discussing some jobs in Saudi Arabia. Regarding the company of fmsco. fmsco invites applications for various positions in infrastructure project at neom area as mentioned in below list. So first of all, there is job of civil project engineer. Quantity is number of 4. Experience required is 17 to 25 years. Education postgraduate or graduate in civil engineering. So next is civil QA/QC manager for 12 to 18 year experience and civil engineering required. Then technical manager 12 to 15 years experience, number of 1 positions. Civil construction managers 4 positions, 12 to 15 year experience. Environmental manager 4, 12 to 18 years experience. Site engineers 7 to 10 years, and there are 4 positions available. Then quantity surveyor, safety managers, civil QA/QC inspector, surveyor, document controller, draftman and timekeeper. All have 4 positions are available in this ad, and experience required 4 to 12 year, and there is required some civil engineering degrees, and for safety position NIBOSH IGC is must. So only candidate who can join immediately have transferable Ikama and ready to relocate within the kingdom. They send their CV hr@fmsco.com.sa. Please share the video with others to grab people's job which want to like it and have experience and qualification regarding the advertisement. So please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to get notification of new video. Thank you.